Hey, today we're going to solve one-step inequalities. You solve it exactly like you do one-step equations. Again, your job is to undo the operation. Right now, we're taking x and we're subtracting 5, so the opposite of subtracting 5 is adding 5 to both sides. The 5's cancel out, the x comes down, x is greater than or equal to 14. Now, to make sure you have the correct solution, you want to pick a number that is greater than 14. So let's go ahead and pick 20. We want x to be 20. And so what you're actually doing is you're actually taking this number 20 and you're putting it in here for x. So 20 minus 5, is it greater than or equal to 9? Well, 20 minus 5 is 15, and it is greater than 9. We're good to go. Therefore, this is the correct solution. Let's go ahead and do another one. X divided by 4 is less than 3. Again, you solve it exactly as you would equations. Right now, x is being divided by 4. So we have to undo that division, which is why you're going to multiply by 4 to both sides. The 4's cancel out, and x is less than 12. So let's go ahead and pick a number that is less than 12. Let's have x equal to 8. And again, we're taking this 8 and we're putting it into this x. So 8 divided by 4, is it less than 3? Well, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 2 is less than 3. Therefore, we are good to go, and we do have the correct solution. I will do one more, and there is a glitch in inequalities. It is when you actually have a negative number that is being multiplied to x, or a negative number that is dividing x. When you solve this, again, x is being multiplied by negative 2, and so you have to divide by a negative 2. When you do this, the negative 2's cancel out, and x is 6 divided by negative 2 is actually a negative 3. Except most people will keep the same inequality. X has to be larger than negative 3. I'm going to tell you why that doesn't work. We're going to pick a number greater than negative 3, so let x be equal to 0. Well, negative 2 times 0, is it greater than 6? Well, negative 2 times 0 is 0, and 0 is not greater than 6. Therefore, this solution right here, that x has to be larger than negative 3, is not true. Which is why when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. So, right now, our inequality sign is greater than. So I want to flip that, which is the opposite. Therefore, I want to change that. I don't want greater than, I actually want less than. I don't want this, I want it less than. X is less than negative 3. And that's how you solve one-step inequalities.